Hey everyone, Ryan here from Seymoure Carnage Photography, back with another budget-saving hack for my frugal photographer friends. So, you've just seen an ad for a Cinebloom or a Pro Mist filter, and you're really digging on that diffused, glowy look that they give. They'll turn your neon night shots into cyberpunk dystopian films, and your daytime photos into promo reels for a Hallmark movie. Sweet! So you start checking them out. You go to the website, you see that they offer different strengths of filters, and they come in all the different popular sizes. But they also run about $40 to $150 depending on the size of your lens. Start picking up a few of those, and you can see that your budget goes out the window pretty quickly. Don't worry, I got you. Got a UV filter and a can of hairspray, or 10 to 15 bucks to spend? Let's go ahead and make a... should I call it? How about...
the Seymoure Mist.
Or...
Carnage Bloom.
Let's just call it a mist filter. So it's just as simple as this. Take your UV filter, hit it with a light mist of hairspray. Check it out. As long as it goes on nice and even, dries with a nice speckly pattern, you're in business. If you screw it up, hey, go wash the filter off under some tap water. Let it dry, try again. If you want a light effect, just hit it with a light mist of spray. If you want more of that bloom and glow and softening, hit it with a couple passes. You really can't lose. It's all temporary, so experiment to your heart's content. Make a bunch of different ones. They're cheap enough. Let's have a look at a couple shots that I took with this very filter. So I know that these are all dark bloom shots, but it's winter in Seattle and it's been rainy and windy for the last few days, so I haven't had an opportunity to go out and get some sunshine shots. But you get the idea. This homemade filter replicates the look of those Pro Mist and Cinebloom filters pretty well, and for cheap to free depending on if you have the materials on hand. Thanks for watching this episode of Camera Carnage. I'm Ryan from Seymoure Carnage Photography. If you make one of these filters, let me know how it goes in the comments. Otherwise, feel free to leave your ideas or questions down there and I'll get back to them as soon as I can. Also, remember to like and subscribe to get notified of upcoming content. Until next time, take care.